Hey, what's up guys? James from Junkyard Fox here. Thank you for joining me on this very brief video. If you're not following me and Cuervo Negro on Instagram, I highly suggest you do so because we're going to be having our first Instagram only giveaway. So you got to follow us through there to have a chance to win these prizes. So let's talk about the prizes. Down here, you will see our bounty. First things first that you're going to notice is a Junkyard Fox bandana. These things, not to brag, but we cannot keep track of them. We cannot keep these in stock. They just sell out right away. In fact, during our first sale, no joking, both me and Cuervo had to sell our own personal bandanas that we were going to keep to ourselves because there was just the demand that high. So, as we all know, there's 1,000 uses for a bandana, and this is 100% cotton, quality made, Junkyard Fox merch right here. You see the raven representing Cuervo Negro, the JF 2020, and the fox with the knife in its mouth. And once again, it's a bandana, so everyday carry uses. You can use this whether you're going to work or you're out hiking, bushcrafting, or the end of the world has come. Regardless of the reason, you're going to look good rocking this bandana, and it's one of a kind. Looking down over here, you're going to see this pouch, this leather pouch. It's a no-name leather pouch, but it is sturdy. And in here, there is a Victorinox one-handed trekker. Now, in my opinion, this is a perfect everyday carry knife / multi-tool. I've been carrying my personal one going almost on 9 years. You got your blade, you got a saw, you got a bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, can opener, you got tweezers, toothpick, Phillips screwdriver, and an awl. It's all these things that are great for hiking, camping, bushcrafting, but as well as useful for everyday life in the city, while at work, cutting through boxes, clamshell packaging, zip ties, all that good stuff. So, one of a kind knife in my opinion. I love this blade. As for these other items, check out these two leather items by Shelter Cabin Leather Designs. Now this is a wallet, and check out how rustic this thing looks. It's beautiful. Something you'd see like in a Mountain Man movie, you know, just very old school. Once again, this is a wallet. Very nice. It is made out of deerskin. And this right here is a belt pouch. So you can run your belt through these loops, and here you can have a flint and steel kit, you can have your spice kit, you can have a small medical kit, whatever you want to add in here. It looks really cool, it looks very rustic, so that's really awesome. And rounding out all this rustic look is this right here. Now this is a leather loop. This is designed to go with to be attached to your wallet, and Cuervo Negro himself made this. He customized this, you know, it's leather, it has some beads on it, you know, just going for that old world nomadic look. And yeah, all these items right here are going to be given away directly through our Instagram. So once again, our links are down below for both me and Cuervo. And thank you so much, guys. Honestly, we're really grateful for all the love, the support, the encouragement. There's plenty more adventures to come from Junkyard Fox. We're only getting started. So this is, once again, given only through Instagram. Because there's a knife involved, you have to be over 18. Also, it's open internationally, but if you know for a fact that your country is not going to allow the shipment of a knife, then I honestly, not to sound mean, but I would not suggest entering it because it's just going to waste everybody's time. But in case, you know, you're not in a country like that, then by all means, go for it. So, once again, thank you so much. Be sure to jump on to our Instagram, and good luck to everyone. A winner will be announced in 2 weeks. See you then.